Hey YouTube, this is an update on the 2002 Tomos Sprint. I've got almost everything on from the last parts haul except for the high compression head. Still have the stock one on there, but good news is I got the crossbar on. I have the foot pegs on. I really like these. These are way more sturdy and they lock in place better. Like whenever you push them down, they're locked in there pretty good. The other ones were just flapping around, which sucked. But yeah, I got the foot pegs on. I got the new kickstand installed. The old one was under here, and whenever I would fold it up to go riding, it wouldn't close all the way, so it was just hanging down because of the exhaust pipe. And on sharp turns or even pretty big bumps, it would scrape, and that felt really sketchy. So I just got rid of it and installed a classic kickstand, which I really like. And of course the new fairing, it looks so much better with the new fairing. The old one was cracked and just not as shiny. I'm still trying to figure out the brake light switch, how to get this thing to activate or turn on. I might have to switch around the prongs, play around with that, but I do have that in there. I took the old one out. I got all the new bulbs in, and I'm just waiting to get the gasket for the high compression head that I ordered, because my dumbass ordered a high compression head but didn't order a new gasket with it. I tried to run the high compression head without a gasket, and there was just too much air leaking by, so I took it off and put the old stock one back on there. I mean, which is fine for now. And I'm also, the thing I was looking forward to most was the parmakit CDI box, which is in here. You know what? Let me get a screwdriver and I'll take that out and show you guys. I had to drill some different holes than the ones on the parmakit because they didn't line up with the frame of the Tomos, but it was pretty easy to do. I just needed a drill. It's plastic, the CDI box. Get my screwdriver. Probably should have had this prepared. Sorry. Now, the way I have the wiring connected, I'm gonna do it better. This is just to get it on and temporary. You see, there's the new CDI box there. That's the ground. And I just have them like the wires wrapped around the spades or prongs or whatever those are called. But I'm gonna fix that and make it better. Need to get a new voltage regulator also. That'll be a new video. But the parmakit CDI box, man, I really didn't think my moped could go any faster, but the parmakit CDI box just proved me wrong. I was planning on doing a top speed run today, but it's raining, or it was raining, and fuck that. I don't want to wreck my moped or wreck my body. Let me put this back on. But yeah, I was giving it, I wasn't going all out because I don't have the correct jet size, but I did do a little quick speed run, and on a wet road with me not giving it everything it's got, I got 50 miles an hour. And that's what I had to try really hard to do to get before this new CDI. But yeah, I got another treats order coming in, and whenever those parts come in, I'll make a video on those. But that's pretty much everything I've done so far, and we'll start it up here in a minute so you guys can hear what it sounds like. I'll start it for you guys so you can hear the sound. There she is so far. Still more to come. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching.